we have to find indefinite integral of 2 with respect to z. When we have integral of constant, we can always take this constant before integral. So we can rewrite our example and we have 2 times integral of 1 dz. This one is invisible, we don't have to write this. And now we have integral which is very easy to calculate. You have to ask yourself question, whose derivative is 1? Derivative of z. So we have to copy 2 and we have times z. Now when we have indefinite integral, we have to always add constant c. Now you can always check if you have good solution. We have to take derivative of this function. So let me do this. We have 2z plus c. Derivative of 2z is 2. Derivative of constant is 0. So we have 2 plus 0 is 2. We got exactly the same function which we have at the beginning. So everything is correct. This is my solution.